Hey, I heard you guys were taking on some apprentices.
Yes, get in the car.
We're starting a superhero club. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Go.
Count me in.
Oh, yes, it's early bird.
Yeah.
Early bird.
It's early bird.
Oh, God.
I'm
Early
here to
bird,
get the worm.
Don't you eat small raccoons?
No?
You eat goats? What are you talking about? Okay.
Goats?
Right.
What?
Yep. You never seen the eagle grab the goat and throw him off a cliff?
No. That sounds amazing, though.
Need a better car, too. Oh, shit.
What the hell?
I'll be a better driver.
We spent all of our money on outfits. I can't afford a new car.
Okay.
How expensive this hoodie was? Oh!
What hoodie? Oh, that hoodie. You just borrowed that hoodie from me. What are you talking about? You're like,
That's Delirious' hoodie.
You're watching my closet like, hey, can I use this?
What for? Gonna go fight crime?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, I guess.
Just don't get any blood on it. He looks like he's gonna tell us something.
I know. What is it, officer?
All right, man, it's time.
All right, Commissioner. Interesting.
Tell us what we need to know, sir. Officer, are you going to tell us if you need help or not? Quit standing there. Drunk? Tell me.
Help me! Help me! Super Hooters, help me!
Innocent bystander.
What do you need?
What do you need?
Someone stole my bike!
Who was it?
This guy!
Get him!
Oh, kill him! Oh, got him!
Oh!
Gosh!
Everything went horribly wrong. Oh.
What did you do to our friend?
Yeah, he was just coming for tryouts.
You like the way that you fell. You like were grabbing onto the ledge.
All right.
How beautiful this sunset is.
What is our objective for today?
It's turning nighttime.
Oh man, look at this.
The best part about it turning nighttime means it's almost morning time.
And then it gets closer to nighttime again. Wait a minute. What the hell?
Everybody knows crime happens at night.
That's why I chose the morning.
Why are you getting in my face, early bird?
Oh shit! He's gonna fall off.
He can't reach us. Can't reach us.
All right, this is our new member.
So stupid.
What the shit?
What the fuck?
What just happened?
Right there. He's right there.
And the mugger just died.
What happened?
Oh shit! Did you just give him rabies?
That was my secret rabies attack. It's just like bees. If I bite someone, I die.
We could do a mission where we're
Wait,
we have to
Louis.
yeah.
Louis just on the side of the car.
Really?
I know, it's what I do.
Just standing. It looks.
That's what Mega Monkey does. Mega Monkey.
This is my superpower!
The villains have hacked our computers and they got our secret identities. We must
there we go.
Let's get our secret identities back before they spread them to the news. That's probably right.
Oh shit! They're gonna find out who I really am.
Yes, they're gonna find out who you are, Fat Al.
We gotta stop them.
Yes, we gotta. There's two villains right there. Get them.
Oh
Really? You're a son of a bitch.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, luckily. Oh god, they're shooting us. It's like fish in a barrel. No, this is some bullshit. Okay, I'm going up first. Or not. Here we go.
Come on, go.
Oh, Delirious was shooting my shit!
I got him.
Oh, nice!
I know who I am.
Ah, George! Give me my secret identity!
What are you doing? Oh, he's down!
I'm down!
I'm down too.
Early Bird, where the hell are you? Look at Early Bird.
I'm taking a different approach, okay? Yeah, laugh all you want, but guess who's still alive? Early bird special coming up. Why isn't that guy dying? There he goes.
These guys for real are pretty accurate though. And it's unnormal.
You mess with the early bird, you get the worm, buddy.
Is that like real? Like the worm? Is that like real in proportion?
Damn. Your head snapped back. What's the plan? How we gonna go in here and get our secret identities back?
We gotta be sneaky.
Yeah, look through the window. Do you see anybody in the window?
I don't see anyone yet. But we gotta be sneaky.
Okay.
Like a bunch of birds, raccoons, and monkeys, okay?
We're the sneakiest of animals. Yeah.
Slow and steady.
Early bird, do you see anybody?
Not yet.
Keep it down.
Okay. Shut up. Early bird, do you see anybody?
No, still not yet. I moved like 3 feet.
Early bird,
What?
you see anybody?
No.
Okay.
I'll just tell you when I see people.
Okay.
Whoa! I found
shit,
them.
oh.
I found people. I found people.
Oh,
They're here, guys, they're here!
oh, the enemies. Oh, I'm getting behind the car. Rabbit raccoon attack!
I got an idea. I got an idea. I got
Let's go. Oh,
shit!
no. What the fuck was that?
That was not part of my idea!
Not a idea.
That was my idea.
Go, go, go,
Where's
go,
the car?
go, go,
Do
go!
that? That's suicide!
Run!
There we go.
Jump over these boxes! Jump over the boxes!
This guy's still alive! Help! Oh, okay, I got him. Ah! This is for our secret identities!
Here we go.
What'd you do?
I'm not dead.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Open the door!
I'm still. I have to do. Oh no! One other thing.
What are you doing?
No! I messed up.
I'm here.
Why are you playing on your iPad?
It's very important stuff I'm doing.
Stop playing Angry Birds.
Okay, one more time.
I thought Early Bird was an expert hacker. What happened?
No, I never said that. Got it!
You open the door?
Go!
Yeah, he did! Let's go!
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's a guy right there!
Shit! Oh god!
Shot him in his dick.
Oh god, be
He's
careful!
definitely dead now.
He's dead. He's on
Shit,
fire.
on the right! I mean,
Whoa,
on the left!
whoa, whoa,
Shit. I got him! I'm on fire!
You're on fire now! Oh my god, everybody's dying.
I hope there wasn't anything important here.
There's the safe right there, guys.
Oh, here we go. Wait, oh.
Oh, Delirious. They're coming up on us, Delirious. We gotta hold them off.
I got him. I got you. Shit. Oh, they're here!
I told you.
No, why am I about? I can't. Oh god.
I got a grenade. I'll throw it.
Take him out. Throw the grenade. Early bird.
Oh, that was
Terrible throw.
that was a bad throw. I'm sorry.
Terrible throw.
So was that. I'm sorry. Okay, there we go.
I got him. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Yeah, bitches.
Any day now.
Gotta hack this safe, man.
Mega Monkey has super hearing. You might.
Wait. I got it,
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah! Wait, there's nothing in there.
There was nothing in there.
Son of a...
But there was a briefcase.
It says you collected the briefcase.
Yeah,
Just
that
a
was
prank, bro,
that was,
just a
that was the briefcase was underneath the desk.
We gotta go out the way that we came in, guys.
Whoa!
Drop the briefcase. Get the briefcase.
Oh shit, get the
Oh, there
briefcase.
it is. Look at it. You see it?
Got it.
Guys, I'm already outside. I took the easy way.
All right. I'm going in. Okay.
Come on, get in.
coming,
Get in,
I'm
almost
Get in.
I'm almost dead. Yeah.
Ah, shit!
Yeah, that was my last life.
Where's the briefcase?
Dropped
Where's the
it.
briefcase? Oh, it's right there. I got it.
Okay.
I'm out of life.
Go.
Guys, go on without me.
Shit.
No animal gets left behind!
Wait, I can't open this car anymore.
Oh my gosh! We're screwed! Go!
Go on without me. Guys,
Go!
I wasn't serious.
Get on a
Don't leave
motorcycle,
without me.
Yeah.
Don't leave. Please.
I'll stay with Delirious, you guys! Deliver games!
Go! Nice speedy getaway right there.
Here we go.
All right.
Time
Go
to
deliver our
these papers.
secret identity to our lawyer, Lester.
Oh! Look out!
Don't die anymore.
Run.
We can't die!
Don't use the porta potty either. What are you doing?
Sorry, I get nervous.
on, I got this guy. I got
Mega
this guy.
Monkey, you're probably gonna have to go help them.
Ah! Got him.
I'm helping you, look!
Get
What are you
in!
doing? Mega Monkey,
Take this guy out real quick.
what are you doing to me?
Nice.
Let's
Go.
go.
Trying to bring you back alive!
Come on, guys. Come on, Mega Monkey. We gotta go.
Mega Monkey's pouring gasoline on my dead body.
No, I'm not, shut up!
Who's that? Who's the other guy? Who's in the passenger seat?
Hey, who's that guy?
He asked if he could be part of our crew. He looked cool, so I said yes.
He's tired.
Is he a replacement for Rabid Raccoon?
No! Oh. As soon as I die, y'all replace me. That's not right. Not right.
There's a waiting list to get on this team.
All right, time to deliver these papers and documents.
Yes!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yes, we did it! Mission passed. That's right. That was our first successful
Name is Bat Owl, and I must defend this city.
I'm Mega Monkey!
And I am Raccoon.
And I am Early Bird.
So why are you here last?
That's a good question. Damn good question.
All right, forget that. We have to defend this city, okay? Tonight, we will fight evil.
Even
We will save the innocent.
innocent.
And
And
we
we're
will...
gonna get gummy bears!
Mega Monkey, you can't fly.
Just notification, Louis Calibert died. All right, to the Coon Can. Here we go.
Yeah!
Wait, where'd you guys go?
Early bird last again. Early bird's always late.
It's an ironic name.
Oh, I know how we can save the city. But first, we need a roll of toilet paper and a toothbrush.
Fuck, why?
Don't ask questions. We just
All right.
need the stuff to save the city.
Listen, guys. We have to stop the drug train.
Yes, the drug train. Does anybody got the toilet paper and toothbrush? Because I really need it, and it's been a while since I got to wipe my booty and brush my teeth.
We have to stop this train.
Oh, there's a train. We're gonna miss
Our
it.
mission.
Oh, stop
Hurry!
it!
Hurry!
Stop it!
You went absolutely flying!
This is our last chance, guys. This is our
on.
last chance.
Come on. Wedge it in there. Wedge it in
Okay,
there.
I got it. Let's go. I'm staying,
Right,
guys.
hold.
Come on. You will stop, drug train. You will stop.
Oh my god.
The drug train has not been stopped. The drug train wasn't stopped, guys. Oh, man.
Delirious is on fire.
You survived, man. You
Yeah, I
survived.
survived.
Holy
Survived.
crap.
That. Oh.
Oh shit.
Gotta stop the drug train. Gotta stop it. I'm going on right now. I'm going on.
Oh, I just got wasted.
I did it! I'm a fucking ninja!
Yes.
Are you on?
on.
Are you on?
Yes.
Okay, good.
We made it. All right,
Wait for me.
Be careful.
Wait, look at Vanos is gonna get hit off. Look at him.
Oh no, I did!
Is he?
Oh, I'm still down. I'm
No!
still down. Get up. Hurry. Get up. Jump. Yes, I'm on. I'm back on. Back
I'm
on.
dying.
They're gonna be so determined.
I am determined. Oh, there's the train.
All right, we gotta get ahead of it. We gotta get ahead of it.
We gotta get ahead of it. Louis is waiting for us right here. Louis,
Hey!
hold on. We're gonna save you.
Come on, hurry. Go. Oh, no.
That's not
You can still do it. You guys can still do it.
Wow.
Oh, no.
Wait,
Okay, I got this.
Birdman, or whatever you're
Birdman.
looking at. Birdman. Quit
Bat
fucking up
Owl.
our names, Delirious. I can't remember you guys.
You can't even remember your own name. What's your name, Delirious Bat Owl?
Come on, Bird. You got this. Come on!
Jump.
Yes!
Yes! All right, everybody.
All right.
No!
Oh no! What are you doing?
Stand up! Yes! I made it! I'm back, guys!
All right, come on, guys.
Stop this train. All right, here we go. Okay, no falling, guys. No falling. Okay,
Drug lords
C4
in this
out.
train.
Damn drug lords will be stopped. There he is. There's the drug kingpin himself.
Stop the train!
Stop the damn train. Wait, there's one C4 on it. There's another C4 right on the window. God, is he?
Stop the train!
Nice.
Oh,
He's
nice.
dead.
Nice.
Oh wait. Now the train's
still
out of
going, though.
Oh
control.
God. All right,
Come on, throw C4s. Where do we throw them? Where do we throw them? I forget.
All over the front. All over the front. Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm falling off!
No! Just jump on!
Get up, hold
Everybody.
on. I got the orange one.
Oh, you can make it.
Yes,
you can make it.
got it,
Come
got
on.
it, got it.
Everybody
Nice.
meet up with Vanoss in the back.
Okay.
Are we ready to
Stop
take
this
down?
train
All
finally.
right, stop it.
Stop it in 3, 2, 1. Stop it!
No! It didn't work!
We
It
suck.
didn't work!
What?
We suck.
What?
Need more C4s.
Throw some on the back of it. Throw some on the back.
Oh, nice throw, man.
There we go.
Another
throw.
great throw.
There we go. All right. So I got a bunch on the back this time. 3, 2, 1. Stop the train!
Boom!
What?
Yeah! Oh.
Nothing.
Stop! Is this fucking train not stop? What the hell's wrong with this train? Ah! All right, there's only one way we can stop the train. Bad Al.
How do we stop it?
All right, follow me. Put your gun up and follow me. Ugh. Do exactly as I do. There's only one possible way. There's one possible way. Oh!
Oh, what just happened to me?
That's not how to stop the train.
Oh.
Damn it! Last time we took them out, they
But
got
at least we
smarter.
killed the conductor.
Yeah. Last time we took them out, they got smarter.
It's okay, guys. It's only heroin.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's do this.
All right, guys. Da-da-da.
Our next mission. What is it?
I don't know.
Can we have an update on what happened to our last mission?
We respectfully let the train go.
The train was no match for us, and we felt bad for it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So now our next mission is we gotta stop the drug dealers on top of one of these damn mountains. They're somewhere around here.
Are we gonna parachute on them, or are we gonna do this?
Oh boy. Oh shit. What are you doing?
Oh my god, we almost stalled out,
We're gonna
guys.
parachute? What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't trust us landing in this area.
I got it, guys.
What do you mean you got it?
I'm gonna land.
No, I
I'm
vote
gonna land.
parachute.
No. Wait. We're not landing here. We're gonna land.
Right there. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Wait, we're gonna
What are we
land right in
doing?
their compound. We're gonna land right in their
No,
compound.
we're not. We're gonna
Yes,
fucking
we
smash
are.
into this mountain.
I'm gonna search around and we're gonna
Oh,
land
boy.
right in the compound.
Compound.
Are you ready? Where's the compound?
Oh no.
No,
This is not good.
It's okay.
This is that light bulb.
Shit!
Are you sure you got this? You sure
I got
you got this
my
raccoon?
raccoon license. Okay.
Rapid,
Certified flyer. Certified.
I've heard of flying squirrels, but not flying raccoons.
Okay.
He's concentrated.
Okay.
He's stuck out.
Did you see that shit? Oh my god, where the hell is the compound?
Not
To our
there.
left.
Oh.
There's a road right there. There's a road to our
Where
left.
are you going?
Damn it.
Fuck.
Yeah, we should have parachuted.
We must vanquish each one of the League of Stoners, or they will retaliate against our Los Santos city.
I see the mayor. I see the mayor of the League of Stoners.
Where's he at?
What's the
He's in the
plan?
middle of the town. Look, he's in the middle of town, standing there. Look.
He's looking around. I think he thinks he's being watched. Oh, God.
Knows.
Oh wait, he just duplicated.
Whoa!
He just cloned.
Oh, shit!
And now
he
they're
did.
dead.
Whoa! How did he clone? What the
All
hell
right,
was
guys,
that?
we gotta go in. Come on.
That's his superpower.
Ah! It didn't work! Just follow me! Just follow me!
Just run!
Just run!
And possibly fall.
Keep falling! Follow! Get
Just
it!
keep following him.
I got it right here! Damn it, it didn't work. It didn't fucking work,
You have
man.
to jump off right here.
It didn't fucking work. I'm busted.
Here we go.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Guys, help me! Help me, the stoners!
He got smoked. Get it? Thanos, there's a lot converging on our position.
Gotta eat some tactical P&Qs.
We have taken out the League of Stoners. They have been stuck. We have saved this town, this beautiful town. Stoners.
Watch out, behind you, Delirious.
Wait, where?
Shit.
God, don't scare me like that, man. Mega Monkey, we have saved the world from the Stoner League, the League of Extraordinary Stoners.
Think I can parachute off this?
Yes.
You gonna try to get the worm early bird?
Nope, doesn't work.
My name is Bat Owl, and I must protect this city.
I'm Omega Monkey.
I am Rabbit Raccoon.
Are you fucking serious? Oh my god. All that work to get up here.
well, to be fair, I said I was Omega Monkey. And, yeah.
We paid the guy who owns this building a lot of money just to get up here tonight.